Hello everyone, and welcome to Humans, Technologies, and Gadgets. In this video, we will be discussing ChatGPT, an innovative artificial intelligence program developed by OpenAI. We will explore what ChatGPT is, how it works, and most importantly, how it has the potential to change the world. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is essentially a language model that's been trained on a vast amount of text data using a neural network architecture. This technology can understand natural language and generate human-like responses to user input. With each interaction, ChatGPT learns and adapts to provide better responses. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT is based on deep learning techniques that allow it to process language and generate responses. It uses a neural network architecture with multiple layers to analyze user input and predict the most likely response based on the data it's been trained on. The more data ChatGPT is exposed to, the better it becomes at generating accurate and relevant responses. Advantages of ChatGPT. One of the main advantages of ChatGPT is its ability to provide instant responses to user input. This can be beneficial in various industries, including customer service and healthcare. For instance, in customer service, ChatGPT can provide round-the-clock support, reducing wait times and improving customer satisfaction. In healthcare, ChatGPT can assist doctors and medical professionals in accessing relevant information about diseases and treatments, enabling them to provide better care and treatment to patients. ChatGPT can also help bridge language barriers by providing accurate and quick translations. This can improve communication and understanding between people from different countries and cultures. Limitations of ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is an impressive technology, it does have limitations. One of the main concerns is the potential for bias in the data it's been trained on. This can result in biased or inaccurate responses to user input. Additionally, ChatGPT may struggle to understand nuances and context in human language, leading to misunderstandings and errors. How could ChatGPT change the world? Don't forget to hit the like button and most importantly, subscribe for more content on ChatGPT and AI in general. Leave us a comment and let us know if you're interested in these types of videos. ChatGPT has the potential to transform the way we live and work in various ways. With its ability to provide instant access to information, it can help improve education and support for people around the world. In customer service, ChatGPT can help improve efficiency and satisfaction by providing quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries. This can also reduce costs associated with traditional customer service channels, allowing businesses to invest in other areas. In healthcare, ChatGPT can help provide better care and treatment by enabling doctors to access the latest research and information. It can also help bridge the gap between patients and medical professionals by providing personalized support and assistance. Lastly, ChatGPT can help improve communication and understanding between people from different countries and cultures. By providing accurate translations, it can help break down language barriers and promote global cooperation. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a revolutionary technology with the potential to change the world in numerous ways. While there are certainly challenges to overcome, the possibilities are endless. As ChatGPT continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see it play an increasingly important role in various industries and sectors. Thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to like our video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Depending on your reaction and feedback, we'll look to explain how Microsoft, the new owner of ChatGPT, will incorporate ChatGPT into their ecosystem. This is a game changer in the business world. That's all, folks. Until next time.